just pulled up back at the house. It's 2:33. I'm gonna be going to go see the apartment at 3:30. So
Hold up, baby, tap it one time. Turn around, I wanna see it shake it behind. Hold up, baby, drop it
looking
one
around here and
time.
stuff like that, and there was a point in time, y'all, where there were no such things as luxury apartments around here. There were like apartments, like nice apartments in like certain like different towns and things like that. But in this city, like there were like no luxury apartments. So you get what you get and you don't get upset. You understand what I'm saying? Or you live in certain parts of town and you probably pay a little more to live comfortable, like like not get robbed walking on the street, or like what I'm saying, or get your car like robbed. Or I don't really think that matters. I think that can happen anywhere, to be honest. But yeah, so the other thing was, you know they have these really nice new apartments around here. They're really dope, but they're really expensive. But here's the thing: they have a lot of things that might be included with it, versus some rundown apartment that's like expensive still for for like what you're looking at. You're like, I would never pay this price. Pay this price for this place. And it's cheaper than the luxury apartments, but it's just like, why would I pay this when I can pay like a little bit extra money and get this, or work a little harder? I'm really excited to see this first place or whatever, and it's actually 2:44 now, so I'm about to like get ahead and get ready and all that good stuff. Guys, so I'm gonna be parking in the back somewhere, so all black, right? One bedroom. Closet. Bathroom. Bathroom here. Very spacious. It's a living room. He said this is the only apartment with the exposed bird. It's a great view. I want to show you guys the view if I get this place. Washer and dryer in the unit. This is the bedroom. Very, very spacious bedroom. He actually said a king size bed. Could fit in here. High voltage ceilings. So like tight. Bathroom. Seemed like the other one. Kitchen. I love the windows in this one. This is a studio. And you can have your own living room space here and actually get the view and actually have the rest of it separated. Like the bedroom area separated. It has a closet, a nice big closet here, and then washer and dryer. So this is actually something that I definitely, yeah, I love it. So far, this is our favorite one. This one is a 1-bedroom and it has a den. The lighting in this place is amazing. Washer and dryer here. This one comes with a den. This is the den. It's dope. I could totally make this into a studio. That would be so amazing. Here's one. This is the bedroom. Amazing view. good, y'all? It's your boy. It's the next day, man. I'm actually about to be on my way to go and try and get a money order. The apartments that I saw yesterday, I have my application right here in this folder. I'm gonna actually be dropping it off at 4 o'clock. Meeting with him at 4 o'clock. Super, super cool dude. Property manager. He's super cool dude. I mean, like, the coolest guy you can come across, to be honest. So, I'm gonna be getting a money order to give him a hold fee so that while the application process is going on. But anyways, it's raining like crazy. I'm mad because it's been raining for the past couple days. And I'm like tired of it now. And it's cold at that too. So, but it is what it is, man. So I'm about to go get this money order, do what it do, and I'm gonna be back with you guys and let y'all know how that go. So, peace. Baby, you know that I like it. The way you looking at me, you can't fight it. Wanna bust it open.